Bill Ravis sets the tone for the company. Was very focused and dedicated to make sure that our agents are prepared for the changes on the horizon, right?
Yeah, and watching the morning boost for me every day kind of gave me this idea to pull some offices together. Krista Ross has been pushing this for the last few months, and doing this was probably one of the best events that we have put together.
The structure, we intended it to be as clean as possible. There were 2 questions only. We had everybody talk to someone that they don't know because role playing can be awkward. So 2 questions. You're the seller, you're the listing agent. What happens if the seller doesn't want to pay the buy-side commission? And we sent everyone off to go work together and do the role play. Then we had them switch roles and brought everyone back together for conversations. Who said something that really knocked your socks off? Who threw you a question that you didn't know how to answer? And then we had Ravis Mortgage there to interject, to helpful with really great information.
The agents jumped right into it. There were seasoned agents, there were new agents, and they all came together. And you realize that they're all going through the same thing, and they're all nervous about what's ahead, but it's interactive, and they really helped each other grow. Tammy, I don't know about you, but I've already had agents emailing me, asking me when the next session was. They heard about it and really want to attend. And I think our next one
is July 31st. So
yeah, I think it'll be
all are welcome.
Yeah, it'll be in the Westport office, and we're including more offices, so there'll be a wider variety of agents there,
and a great networking opportunity as well.